Lots of you. Coming in to Quarry Harbour. Lots of attention. One steering, one navigating.
On earth spilt tea over here? And then I went, that's not tea! Ooh!
What was it?
Sick!
Oh.
And first you must trim your onion. Finely chopped onion, thank you. A small amount of butter. Do the trick. Now, how do we light this stove? You've got its own lighting mechanism.
Negative, Your Honour. You'll need the that's the cameraman's finger. Comes dramatically into shot. Nice, Jamie, nice.
The not so Oliver shot.
Curry de Reichelt. Now you better chuck your nose into the fish and just make sure you're happy to actually cook with it.
That'll be fine.
Yeah,
Beautiful. What's left of the barracuda, and we will now place him into the pan. Fish.
This is where the camera drops off the tripod and lands
Straight into the fish. Now we'll lightly saute the fish until he's sealed. Don't need that.
It's actually barracuda, not seal, but
We'll add a few of these little beasts. At least 4. Having added the mushrooms, we will now also saute the mushrooms as well.
Hindsight, they will have it.
There we go. We're probably ready to throw some wine in on this.
What are you doing, Stephen?
Looking for the white wine!
What do you need white? Are you a man desperate for white wine?
Curry. I can
Oh,
find
curry.
red wine. I can find milk. I can find water.
More milk!
I can even find champagne. And there's beer for Africa down here. But no white wine.
and
At
rolling.
this stage we will add in the korma simmer sauce, which will add that wonderful flavour to the curry. So splodge, in goes the korma curry sauce, like so. We will then mix this in. And I only wish you had smell-o-vision because, smell it. Wonderful. The only thing missing now, of course, is we're missing the white wine.
Because we can't find it anywhere.
Let's dial them up and find out what they've done with the white wine.
I'll just go down and check in the fender locker.
Ah, good. You go and check in the wine cellar.
Yeah, sorry, the wine cellar.
Now, a small drop of Nepentine Sauvignon Blanc.
That's easy for you to say.
We will add this to the curry.
Good.
Next, we will take some sultanas.
Oh, yep, sultanas, nice.
Sun-dried sultanas.
Yep.
Add them to a cup. Around about 3/4 of a cup. Sorry, did you focus in on that?
Yep.
We will now add these to the curry. And stir. And shortly we will add the remainder of the vegetables and allow them to reduce. Thank you.
Another freaking knick-knack.
This is a hue and pine spurtle. It is especially designed for stirring cooked porridge. And Mr. O'Grady loves to cook his porridge. And I think this would be a nice little memento from Western Australia. Where are we? Tasmania! For them.
Very nice.
For Pauana, but in the meantime it'll rest in my book, we have a very useful bookmark with the phonetic alphabet on it. And look, there's a W for whiskey. It must be time.
And now for the superbly chopped vegetables that were all beautifully looked after by Lily. We will now add these to the wonderful mixture of curry.
Is this the wonderful world of curry?
Curry world. The Smithton radio valiantly tries to break through the static.
How are we going to get all this in?
You'd better hope the reduction's reasonably successful.
How are you going to reduce the vegetables? They'll all soften up.
If we're fortunate, this will help.
Oh, magnificent. And you see, the moral of this is that in order to do any cooking with any degree of success, you need a well-appointed kitchen.
Just to find all your saucepans. Question will be how I get all that out.
Oh dear. So now you'd like a ladle or something, would you?
I think so.
Yeah,
I think we need a ladle now.
Yeah, shit idea. It's pretty hard to tell from all of this, but presently there's about 30 knots blowing directly towards us. It's making the boat bounce up and down a bit, although not as much as it was before. And this is why Ian, when he's trying to cook the curry, keeps tipping over.
There we are. We have a subdivision of the vegetables and the fish curry, and we're hopeful that this will all come together. Dispose of this, definitely.
It is a fine line sometimes between edible and decomposing. And I am off to the bin.